Guys, how beautiful it is, no? So guys, time is right now 1:30 and we are leaving from this beautiful place. See, people are playing there in the water in this hot sun. Very cute, no? So yeah, actually my boys are going to be here for a while. They're going to start only by 4 or 5 o'clock. But I have some emergency at home, so we'll be reaching by 4:45 o'clock to Chennai. So I'll talk to you as I go. Okay, bye bye. So time is right now 1:45 and we are going in this amazing route. Our admin is coming in the opposite direction. Okay, okay bro, done. Bye 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 bye. So we are done. We are leaving now. Oh, there's sand over here. I should not slip and fall. So yeah, we have connected with the highway. So I'm cruising at a speed of 120 right now. So this road, the next 60 kilometers is going to be a bit tough. But after that 60, I think we'll have good roads. The highways, we'll get connected to the highways. Then we can go much faster. Look at this road, guys. The road looks good, but it's not nice to ride actually. I'm not able to go beyond 80 because there's some patches on the road. But these roads are not meant to go more than 80 as such. But since I'm in a hurry, I'm actually going. It's not actually very hot right now. It's okay, I'm able to manage. Maybe because I took bath in the water, the body is a little bit cool or something. Wow. Guys, look at the road. For so many kilometers it's the same, guys. Chennai is about 180 kilometers from here, approximately. So guys, I'll just get closer to the highway and then I'll continue the vlog from there. Guys, we have joined the NH45. So guys, we just took a short break after joining NH45. So right now we're gonna reach Chennai non-stop. Time is right now 3:30 sharp. I am planning to reach Chennai by at least 5 o'clock. Let's see if we can make it. Since it's a national highway, I think I can cruise through 140. Chennai is exactly 120 kilometers from here. The bike is performing awesome, guys. I'm just loving this mission day by day. See, I'm cruising at 140 and the bike is at so ease. It's just doing it very, very easily without any strain. That's the best part of it. Okay guys, I'll get closer to Chennai and then I'll continue the vlog. So guys, time is exactly 3:45 and the next toll plaza is Chengalpet, which is 60 kilometers away. I don't want to set a time target and all but let me try and reach as quick as possible, guys. That's a beautiful scenery coming up. Amazing scenery, you know. It's a beauty. Okay, let's concentrate on the road. Guys, are you enjoying the ride with me at 140 km/h? If yes, hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon. Actually, my visors are not good. And my helmet mount, that is the camera mount, also I should change. There's a mic that I fixed inside. I don't think it's working properly. The thing is, I've mounted a camera on a strap, guys. So what happens is that strap goes through my visor, so it does not lock completely. So there's some airflow inside and my voice is not audible clearly. So that's the problem right now with the mic setup. So the solution is that I have to change my camera mount. So I should not have a strap, I should have a sticker mount or a fixed mount or something like that. So I think there's only about 70 kilometers to Chennai. I'll get closer and continue, guys. We have come in exactly 25 minutes, guys. 60 kilometers we have covered in 25 minutes. Is that good or bad? I don't know. You guys tell me. Let me know in the comment section. The place near Chengalpet seems to be a little bit crowded, but I don't think there'll be any traffic because we are quite early. Look at that bus, no? Heavy scenes. We have finally reached Vandalur and the time is right now 4:25. So from Vandalur I'll just take the straight bypass to reach my home. So I'll be reaching home by 5 o'clock sharp as targeted. Yo, exactly 20 kilometers from here we will reach our destination. So hope you all enjoyed the video, guys. It was a one-day trip to Sathanur Dam, all safe and sound. I will be reaching home in the next 10 to 15 minutes max. So I'll end the video here, guys. So if you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share with all your biker friends.